Welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider liking and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being a part of this family. And on today's video, for the very first time, we shall be making Mkate wa Mchele, also known as Mkate wa Sinia, and also known as Mkate wa Kumimina. So join me for the ingredients. And so for the ingredients, we have 1 cup of rice, which we have soaked overnight in water. For 1 cup of rice, we shall require 1 cup of coconut milk or cream. So in our case, we are using Kara. We shall also require a table teaspoonful of cardamom for tasting, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. So I'll start by putting my rice into the blender. Remember, we had soaked our rice overnight. So carefully put in the rice into the blender. Pour in your cardamom, pour in your sugar. This is a 1/4 cup of sugar. Then I'll put in my yeast. This is yeast. Then I'll pour in my coconut milk or cream, depending on what you have. Then I will lock in my blender and bring this to a good mix. I'm done with blending the ingredients. My consistency is not too thick and neither is it too watery. So I'll pour it in to a bowl. So after pouring my mixture into the bowl, I will cover it with a clean kitchen towel and leave it for about an hour. So guys, see you after an hour.
Yes.
So we are back again after an hour. As you can see, our yeast is activated, very active. can see mixture. So follow me into the next step. So the next step is to cook the mixture. So I'll light my stove. On moderate heat. To get hot, and I will add some cooking oil, enough to grease the pot. So I'm greasing the base of the pot so that the mixture does not stick. So my oil is hot, so I'll pour in the mixture, and as you can see, so this process allows the lower part of the bread to cook. As we say, this is Mkate or Mchele. So make sure your heat is at a low temperature so that it cooks slowly. And then I will cover this for about 30 to 40 minutes, but I'll keep checking, guys. So I'll turn on the oven at 180 degrees. That's 180 degrees. And just the upper part of the oven. So that's the upper part of the oven. And this is the timer for about 8 to 10 minutes. So that's 10 minutes, upper part of the oven alone, and at 180 degrees Celsius. So I've put in our Mkate or Mchele into the oven. So I'll leave it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes and we'll keep checking with you guys.